In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the theme of your car's instrument cluster. Press the menu button on the right side of the steering wheel controls. Use the scroll wheel to navigate through the options, then press the wheel to confirm your selection. There are 8 available options, including acceleration timer, driving time, theme, average speed, blank view, tire pressure, and total average. Next, go to Theme. Scroll through the styles and press to select. This is how the new theme looks. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple car tips.